Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be upgrading the coolant expansion tank on my R56 Mini Cooper. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. As you can see, the OEM tank was leaking coolant at the top by the small hose. This is what the upgraded aluminum tank looks like. I removed the small coolant hose at the top, then removed the 8mm bolt. I use a flathead screwdriver to release the locking clip for the larger hose at the bottom. The leak was caused by this small crack on the nipple. This is what the aluminum tank looks like compared to the OEM tank. There is a common issue with the OEM tank leaking, so I figured upgrading to an aluminum tank would be a better choice, even though it costs 3 times as much as another plastic tank. The aluminum tank did not come with a cap, so I'll be reusing the cap from the OEM tank. I reinstalled the large hose at the bottom and the small hose at the top. I reinstalled the 8mm bolt, then removed the hose bracket because it's not needed with the new tank. I added some coolant while taking into consideration the minimum and maximum level on the OEM tank. I did gain a small amount of space in the engine bay, and I know this tank will be much more resistant up against the constant removing and reinstalling due to oil changes. And that's it for this one. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.